everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the Graveyard Project pan. This was created by Emily, aka Emily and Max. I'm going to have her listed down below as well as everyone that has joined in. There is, I believe, either a spreadsheet or a playlist. I can't remember what the link is for, but it's going to be down there. And the Graveyard Project pan consists of two types of products. They are graveyard products. Those are products that you had in a previous panning project that you were unable to either meet your goal or to finish that product. And then you have collecting cobwebs, if I could speak, and those are products that have been in your collection and they've just been sitting there not getting used, and they're really old and you need to get some use on them or get them moved out of your collection. I always do a combination of both, and honestly most of my products would definitely fit the collecting cobwebs category. Wow, I can't talk today. But I do have a few newer things, but after having a no-buy for so long, it just feels like everything is on the older side. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff that could fit into collecting cobwebs. I'm going to start with my graveyard products. I only have two in right now, and one of them I didn't use at all, and the other one I didn't use much. This is the problem. This is why they were in my graveyard category. The first one is the Bath & Body Works Cotton Blossom Antibacterial Gel. I've used it a few times, but still, there's still some in there. I need to use it. I'm going to try to remember to put it in my purse. The problem with that one is, not that I don't use hand sanitizer, but I leave it sitting on my desk, and when I'm out and about and it's not in my purse, it's not helping me by sitting on my desk. So I need to remember to actually put it in my purse. Hopefully I will do that. The next one is the Pinky Glitter. I just haven't felt it. I don't know what else to say about that one. I could probably put it in a clear polish or something like that and get it used up fairly quickly, but I'm working on so many other nail polishes right now that I have not felt like doing that, and I might eventually get to it. I might. This ends on Halloween, so hopefully it will be done before then. I'm crossing my fingers that it can be done before then. All right, now onto my collecting cobwebs category. I'm going to start with the two lip products that I put in. Clinique Sugared Grapefruit Lipstick, and just a lip balm that I got at a health fair. I actually frankened these together because if you look in there, that one looks empty. The texture was not my favorite, and it felt a little dry for me, and I wasn't feeling it, if you know what I mean. So I frankened them together, and it's more like a tinted lip balm now, and I really like it. You can see it's very subtle, and I still have a lot left, but I'm going to roll it down so you can see the progress in there. It is about down to here. I have not used it a ton. I'm just now starting to use this one a lot. I had finished, when I frankened them, I had done two. It was enough product to fill two lip balm tubes, and I finished this one. This one I got frankened with another color just to give it a little bit of oomph, if you know what I'm saying, because I didn't want two tubes of the exact same color. So that tube is done, and now I am working on this one. So if I haven't decided if this is the one I'm going to work on next, because I'm just finishing up a lip balm in another project and I need to start working on a new one. So I don't know if I'm going to do this one or the other one, or maybe just kind of switch them off every couple of weeks. So we will see how that one goes. So I don't know that I can have these done by the next update, but 2 updates possibly I could have them done. The next one is the Bath & Body Works Eucalyptus Spearmint Shower Gel. This is the aromatherapy. Let me show you my lines right here. This is where I was last time, and here's where I am now. Based on my usage, I could potentially have an empty for the next update, which would be awesome, because I like getting things, especially older things in my collection, used up and moved out. I want to love them and appreciate them and get my money's worth before they're no good and I have to throw them in the trash, because I don't like to waste things. So it will make me very happy if I can have this done by the next update. All right, the next thing I have, was collecting cobwebs. This was the Johnson's baby powder. I use this in my shoes because nobody likes stinky shoes. I spend a lot of time in the garden, and you know, shoes don't always smell so fresh after you've been out in, you know, 90+ degree heat and you get all sweaty and icky. We can take a shower, but we can't shower our shoes. So that's why I use baby powder in my shoes, and they smell much prettier after I'm done. But this is done. You can see my progress lines where I brought it in, and yeah, that one is done. I'm finally up to 2 empties in this project this year, and it started at the end of April, so I need to get a move on. So with that being said, I used up a product. I need to bring something else in. I mean, I don't have to, but I want to, and these are really easy products. I know I will have them done by the next update, but, you know, just to have some movement. A girl's got to have some movement here or there. I am bringing in samples. As most of you know, I had a flood in my lower level of my house. Everything's being gutted down there. Like walls were being cut out, all the flooring's ripped up, and hopefully eventually it will get replaced once they can get us on the schedule with the restoration company. You know how that goes. So yeah, I've been packing up and going through boxes and everything that were down in that lower level, and I found tons and tons of samples. So I will probably start rolling those in. These are old. These are really old. I know they've been down in my storage room downstairs for years. Seriously, years. So these definitely have cobwebs. Can knock the cobwebs right off of them. These are the Avon Moisture Therapy Intensive Body Lotion. I only found 2 of those, and those are what are going to be replacing my powder in this one. I am like 100% certain these are going to be done by the next update. So then I will be able to roll in something new. I have different varieties of samples, and what I'm going to do with all of the samples that I found is like I'm going to pick a sample, and if there's more than one of that, all of that like kind, I will roll in at that one time. So I only had 2 of these, so I'm only rolling in 2, but we'll see what I have for next month. All right. That is everything for this update. Definitely go check out the other ladies, especially Emily, since she created this wonderful project. And again, down there below, if you want to join in, of course, we would love to have you. It is a very fun project, and I'm enjoying it immensely. I think this is my 2nd year that I have done it. I did not do it the first year. I wasn't able to fit it into my schedule, but I'm glad I'm doing it again this year. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.